Double Trouble. Written by Anna Milbourne, illustrated by Tamsin Minrickson. Here's a twin, and here's his brother. Can you tell one from the other? Not too many people can.
I am Sid. I am Dan.
And, you know, it's such a shame. One twin always gets the blame for the things the other did.
Dan?
I am Sid.
Sporty Dan just loves to run. Sid thinks eating's much more fun. Who stole cakes from Sleepy Stan?
Sid.
I am Dan. Sid, I've had enough,
Says Dan.
Me too,
Says Sid.
we need a plan. All these mix-ups are too bad.
Sid is sad. Dan is mad. The twins think hard. How can they show which one is which so people know? They buy some paint, take off the lid.
Tip it, Dan. Tip it, Sid.
They paint each other red and green. Now the difference can be seen. Wasn't that a clever plan?
Is it Dan?
It is Dan.
It all works well until, one day, a friend arrives from far away. A naughty monkey on a trip. Tap, tap, tap. It is Pip. One morning they go out to play, and Pip picks up the hose to spray. Oh no! Who mixed up Dan and Sid?
I did.